In today's video, I'm going to teach you what happens after a customer approves your proposal in Traveljoy. Once a client approves a proposal, the first major change is the proposal status itself. Inside Traveljoy, that proposal is automatically marked as approved. This gives you a clear visual confirmation that the client has officially accepted what was presented. You'll also receive a notification letting you know that the proposal has been accepted, so you don't have to keep checking manually. That alert helps you move quickly into the next part of the trip planning process. Another important thing that happens is that the client's selections are recorded in the trip. If they chose a specific hotel, package, tour, or any other option you included in the proposal, those choices are saved directly within the trip record. This is especially helpful because it removes guesswork. Instead of trying to remember which option they preferred, you can go back into the trip and review exactly what the client selected. That makes it much easier to continue planning accurately and avoid errors. After approval, the next steps also become available to you. At this point, you can begin making bookings with suppliers based on the selections the client approved. If there are still documents that need to be sent, this is also when you can send them. That might include contracts, forms, questionnaires, or invoices that haven't already gone out. In other words, approval is the point where the trip starts moving from the proposal stage into active execution. Depending on how the proposal was set up, payment may also come into play right away. If the proposal includes a payment request or requires a deposit, the client may be prompted to pay immediately or continue to the payment step after approving. Any payments that are received are then tracked within the trip, which helps you keep everything organized in one place. That visibility is useful for both planning and follow-up. Finally, the overall trip workflow continues. Once the proposal is approved, many advisors move the trip into the next stage of their process. For example, you might update it to proposal approved, booking in progress, deposit received, or confirmed booking depending on where the trip stands. This helps keep your pipeline current and makes it easier to see what still needs attention. So in short, once a customer approves your proposal in Traveljoy, the system records the approval, saves their selections, opens up the next action items, may trigger payment, and allows the trip to move forward in your workflow.